Hey guys, I'm here at Men's Performance Clinic in Arlington Heights, and just kind of want to tell you my story. I heard it on the radio and wanted to give it a call, give these guys a call. I'm glad I did because every time I went to the doctors and my urologist, they never told me that I would never be able to get an erection again, never be able to have family, never be able to do anything, and it was all stemmed from diabetes. Well, after I picked up the phone, I was explained how the wave therapy and the everything works with it. Blown away. Night and day, 7 sessions, and full capability of my manhood again. It's really the best way to say it. Couldn't say anything more than great things about these guys. Give them a try.
Thank you. And just to be clear, you're saying to me that doctors had told you that you're just going to be stuck with not being able to get an erection. Is that
Correct. The my urologist, as of 2 years ago, told me that I would never be able to get an erection again. I pretty much had to deal with it all my life. I thought about it after 2 years. I've tried every possibility that is out there, from drugs to medicine to pumps and rings and all these different things, and none of it worked. Um, I took this as a shot in the dark, and I'm not gonna lie, it was worth every penny.
and
It
it's
really
been
was worth
it's
it.
been you said 7 weeks and you're in for 7 treatments.
Correct. Yeah.
And what's your results now? What is it you're experiencing?
Full erection in the morning. To be honest with you, I feel like I'm 25 again. I mean, that's really the best way to say it. It's exactly what I want to be at 36 years old. Going to be 37 in a couple months, and now I have my life back. I have my drive back. I have everything that I want back, and I wasn't able to do this for 5 years, and it's been one thing after another with no success. This is the only thing that has helped me.
Thank you.
Yep.